Hi, I'm Krishna. This is day 12 of 30 days of understanding the modern AI stack. So, in this video, we're talking about something that almost nobody pays attention to, but it controls everything. When you type a message into ChatGPT, do you think it reads words? It doesn't. It doesn't even see letters. It sees integers. Before embeddings, before attention, before transformers, your text becomes numbers. And how that happens determines cost, memory, speed, and whether your AI system works at all. When you send I love Donald Trump, the model doesn't see that sentence. It sees something like an array of numbers. Those numbers are token IDs. Each ID maps to a row in the embedding matrix. That's it. So, first question that should hit you, how do we break text into those IDs? That process is called tokenization. Tokenization splits text into pieces the model understands. But here's the key, tokens are not words, they are subword units. For example, unbelievable might become unbelievable. Why not just use full words? Because vocabulary would explode. New words appear constantly, misspellings happen, different languages mix. So models use subword tokenization like byte pair encoding. That keeps vocabulary manageable while still flexible. Now here's where it gets serious. Once text becomes tokens, those tokens enter the model, but the model has a limit. It cannot process infinite tokens. This is called the context window. Context window is the maximum number of tokens the model can see at once. Important part includes your prompt, previous conversation, the model's own responses, all of it. So if the model supports only 8,000 tokens and your conversation already used 7,000 tokens, you only have 1,000 left for the next response. After that, old tokens get truncated, deleted. That's why long chats forget earlier parts. Now think about system design. If you paste a 1,000-page document into an LLM call and it exceeds the context window, the model literally cannot see the full document. That is why naive AI systems fail. And that is exactly why we need chunking and retrieval, which we'll cover in the upcoming videos. Most APIs charge per token. More tokens mean more cost, slower inference, more memory. So tokenization is not just pre-processing, it controls your architecture decisions. When building AI systems, you must count tokens before sending, chunk documents properly, summarize conversation history, avoid wasting context, use retrieval instead of dumping text. If you ignore tokenization, you will build inefficient systems. So in this video, we'll learn about how text gets converted into tokens and then IDs and then embeddings and then finally goes to transformer. And we learned that context windows limit how much information the model can see at once. This constraint is not a weakness, it's the design boundary you must build around. In the next video, we'll step into vector databases because once you understand token limits, you realize you cannot rely on context alone. So see you in the next video. Let's do it.